To get our landscape, we have to use modern line. The line. So we have gotten our, so we have seen the green area, leaving the, let's get our curves. There are two ways to get curves here. You can model curve. Go to architecture, you go to floor. Let's use this as our curve. You click this, you click here, 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 click here. This is our curve. You click here. This is another way of getting curves. But we may not use this curve. Let's see what we have here as our curve. You can see the kind of curve we have here. This is the kind of curve we have. This is the kind of curve we have, which we can, let's go back to our ground floor. Click to this curve, you can change, we have changed it. Let's see what we change, how it looks like this. This is what we got as our curve here, but we can model this curve. So we can click on it, we can model this curve. What we'll do is to delete this. It means I'm going to create my own profile. You can also create curve by using your simple model in place and also model it.